Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting measurable goals and collecting assets so you can iterate quickly. Once you have target users and a primary CTA, ask ChatGPT to generate a content outline and component list. Make sure to include brand colors, font names, and required integrations. This lets ChatGPT produce usable CSS and HTML snippets. You will copy those snippets into a sandbox environment. After that, request accessibility and mobile-first considerations, so development starts on solid footing. Once components are generated, call for iterative refinement. Ask ChatGPT to optimize for semantic structure and area attributes so assistive tech works reliably. You should paste real content into components, then request responsive rules for common breakpoints and a 16:9 hero image guideline. Make sure to request critical CSS extraction, lazy loading patterns, and image formats like WebP for performance gains. After that, have ChatGPT produce build and deployment commands tailored to your frame. You finish by running audits and tests. Use Lighthouse for performance, accessibility, and SEO. Once done, deploy to a staging URL and verify forms, analytics, and API calls. Make sure to record failed tests and console errors, then ask ChatGPT for focused fixes using the exact error message and surrounding code. If something breaks in production, roll back, paste logs, and request a patch sequence. Finally, schedule periodic checks and a cleanup pass to remove unused CSS and scripts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.